Very good morning, friends. Nalnakshi Swami here. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. For us, as a trader, success is very difficult to achieve. So what should we do for making the success? We need to engineer the success. How do you do it purposely to engineer confidence? Success comes from confidence. You need to build confidence in the market. What happens in the market is always traders will be in the jumping spree. Jumping spree, they jump from one strategy to another strategy. It's okay because till they get positive loop for their success. You should have easy one strategy, which is easy and sets up without difficulty so that it loops up success and builds confidence. This is a chain reaction. So strategy should be easy. It should be without any difficulty. You should not take any indicators, so many indicators and all those things. Without anything, you should have a simple strategy which brings success for you. And naturally, when you get success, there will be confidence. What steals the confidence is not making positive progress. You will not be doing any positive progress since you are jumping from one strategy to another strategy. There is no problem with the strategy, problem with ourselves. We start losing too much of money and usually swing for fences on every trade. So you will not be knowing what you are doing. So strategy you learn, so many strategies you learn. Name it for open range breakout strategy, 15 minutes breakout strategy, and moving averages strategy. So many things. Name it, so many things are there. But every time that strategy will not give you success, you will tend to lose because of the failure, and you start doubting the strategy and you don't do, and you jump from one strategy to another strategy. So adopt confidence boosting high probability system. So we need to adopt a very confidence boosting high probability system. Then to engineer our confidence, it becomes easy. So we should have a easy win strategy and approach. And we should have unemotional position sizing. What are the three things we need? Easy win strategy, unemotional position sizing. Some people, they go for 4,500 lots so that I can scalp 5 points, 3 points. For example, I've seen option traders doing that. Even on the YouTube, they come and show it. They are earning 60,000. They bring the strategy, and people see that strategy. They try to do that, copy that, and they end up because they don't understand what they are doing. So you should have unemotional position sizing. And the third most important thing is trading in the trend. You should trade with the trend, otherwise you will lose confidence. Okay, this is a cycle. I've drawn a picture. The trader comes with the new strategy. He starts with the demo trading. Demo trading, actually, it will not involve any emotions. There will not be any emotions as you are trading with virtual money. So when there is no emotion, you may get positive results. and you bring into come to the real after getting positive results, traders come into real account trading, they face losses. When they face losses, they lose confidence in the strategy which they have built. Then they go back and tweak more settings like moving averages, stochastics, RSI. So many indicators are there in the trading view. They start doing that and back testing. So it will be a circle. Again, same thing goes on. So as a trader, you need to, after coming to real account trading, a strategy should be very easy, and it is a trend building strategy, and you have to come into the inner circle where strategy should be easy and it should give confidence, and then your psychology will be strong. So how do we get the triggers actually? What happens this is the psychology. Anchors and triggers. Anchors are the feelings actually. These anchors can be positive, neutral, or negative. Actually, these are the anchors which are automatic programs that control our state of mind. Suppose if we are having a positive anchor, so many days when you get up, you will have a positive anchor, and it is a beautiful day outside, you want to go out and run. It puts you into good mood. Suppose if you are having a neutral anchor, say for example, you are feeling hot, that is neutral, and you turn on the air conditioning and you become cool, and it's okay. But negative anchor, what happens? It is you feel stressed out. What that leads to overeating and also even to the drinking also. Anchors in trading. What happens in anchors in trading is how we trade influences the anchors, not the anchors. Anchors doesn't influence. How we trade influence the anchors, which is associated with our subconscious mind. If you are not careful and trade the wrong strategy carelessly, we anchor the automatic feeling of loss, anchor the feeling of stress that will dominate our mindset. Definitely, when it starts dominating, feeling of stress, that you tend to lose money and you are not able to do it properly. How to fix it? Key for fixing this is you should have an easy winning strategy. So if it is an easy winning strategy, you will have good experiences and good habits and positive anchors with trading itself. You will get a positive anchor with the trading itself. Anchor comes there when it is a easy winning strategy. So easy win strategy gives us positive progress, and then it creates a platform for positive anchoring and it builds a confidence. This is a cycle. So easy win strategy brings positive progress and it leads to platform of positive anchoring and it builds to confidence. Okay. Let me go to the chart and I will explain you very simple strategy. Very simple strategy so that that is the trend strategy. You should be on the trend. How to trade with the trend? See, how to identify the trend, first of all. Just a simple strategy I am applying to moving averages. You can select this from the indicator section, moving average ribbon, and you can tweak it to, let me show the settings what I've put, 20, 8, and 200. 8 is for very short period, and 20 medium, and 200 is long term. Okay. This thing I have tweaked and I have put that in the chart. The strategy to identify the trend is just I look for the color changes in the market. Let me go to the weekly chart of the State Bank of India. I'll zoom it out. First thing is, I'll go to the higher time frames and I'll identify the trend. Trend on the weekly chart, let me take it. Colors are green here. Okay? Color. The color changed to red near the 8-period moving average, and I'll just patiently wait for the color change near the 8-period moving average. See, this was the trend, prevailing trend, and don't get disturbed because the trend is positive. Green color. The color change happened in the red, but it is near the 8-period moving average, and I'll wait for the color change because since the trend is positive, I'll wait for the color change near the 8-period moving average and just mark this high and low of the line. Then the trend started moving higher. So this is how I'm marking. Okay? Same thing. Price has gone above the 8-period moving average. It has moved away from the 8-period moving average, and there is a color change. Color change. If trend is positive. See, this trend is positive, and single color change will not disturb me. I'm still on the trend. You can mark this. And after that, you are noticing a dozy candle and also a positive trigger you are seeing. Let me change the time frame to daily. Daily, it is consolidating. It looks as if bears are dominating on the chart. You are seeing many red candles, and you do wrong things. You do wrong things. So I have marked here, from here, trend has changed, color has changed from this level. Okay? That means this is my support level. I'll write down this as the support level. This is an easy strategy, just finding out the support. Because I am seeing the color change above the 8-period moving average and 20-period moving average. The thing is, trend is positive. I won't get disturbed by these color changes. So now at present, this is consolidating. This is a consolidating narrow range. This is a always markets have two phases, trendy phases and range phase. Now State Bank of India is in a range phase, but it is in a positive territory. So what should be my strategy is 792 is my immediate support. Let me change the time frame to on weekly. Weekly, this is here from the dozy, I'm seeing the flip. So now my immediate support comes to from 792 to 870. 870. So you want to trade on intraday. Okay. Let me change the time frame to, so I have marked the 2 support levels. This is a strategy, I am using it. And then change your time frame to hourly. Hourly, what you are seeing is, this was the color change. Okay, let me bring it. This was the color change. Trend is positive from 792, and then pass and trend. And there are 2 boxes over here, contraction boxes over here. Since trend is positive on weekly, trend is positive on daily, and I am looking the chart on hourly. So what should be my strategy is, if the price comes back to this level, suppose this is the level of support here, immediate level of support is 824. In between 824 to 820, suppose if the price comes over here and I see a change of color, suppose, say for example, this is the bear candle, red candle here. Imagine this as a red candle. And after this, I see a color change of green color. Yeah, green color, and taking out this color. It has to take out this color. Red color has to be, immediate red color has to take out. This candle has to take out. That means bullishness. So red turn to green. Then I will enter into the strategy. So I will start moving, holding the position, keeping the stop loss. This is the easy win strategy. So it becomes more confidence. See, if you see on an hourly time frame, you forget this movement because it is undergoing through sideways movement. What is the thing happening is high, low, high. So this is the higher low, and I expect the movement to the highest. Suppose if it starts moving like that, what I will do is, to calculate this target, I take the flip tool and I apply that. I'll just get the target of 853, immediate target. And later, if the trend is not violated, you can even get the 874 and also 894 also. Because I'm adopting a strategy which is easy, trend identifying strategy. How did I identify the strategy is, again, I will explain it to you because you should get orientation of this strategy. Starting from higher time frame, I'm identifying the trend with the help of moving averages. That is a shorter period moving average, medium term moving average, and longer term moving average. The price is above the 200 period moving average. It is in clear trend. And on weekly, in this stock, the thing is bullish. I'm not reacting for this color change. This color change, if it would have, for example, here in this, if this color change if it would have exceeded like this, then there will be a trend change in the market. Trend change will be in the market. At present, after the trend, I see this color change as a pause because it is consolidating above and near the 20 period moving average and 8 period moving average. This is a consolidation. So consolidations are very necessary. From the range itself, the trend will start. Now, after this trend move, there is a pause. Pause in State Bank of India. Let me make this box as green, blue, and change the time frame to daily. When I change the time frame to daily, lot of confusion. I cannot recognize that because by seeing the red candles, people indulge in selling the things so that it is going to go down. At present, I am not seeing any color change. See, this is the area from where positivity has been built into the market. Deep color change, and again it is whipsawing. So on daily it is positive. See, after that you are seeing two green, the positivity in the market, though it is undergoing through consolidation phase. Now, what should be my strategy? I'll change my time frame to hourly. Hourly, what I'm seeing is immediately I'm seeing trend structure in the market. Even though it is a consolidation, I'm seeing a trend structure in the market. I'm explaining it to you. High, low, high. Now, it should not go below the 840. It has to stop in between 823 to 820 because there is a dynamic liquidity over there in this area. So after hitting this level, my strategy is like that. So it is very easy. If there is any color change, taking out the red color and placing the stop loss over here beneath that red color, and I'll tend to ride the trend. So trend will be, first target will be the immediate target of 843. And if it starts moving higher, I can even get 853. How the target I've made out by using the crypto, 1.618%. That's how you can write. So only if it is, sometimes what happens is the trend, this structure can come down, even the red color can deeply come down, taking this liquidity, but the trend is positive till this level, 798, and you should be ready for that also. So till 798 is not violated, there is 200 period longer period moving average is also there. It can support you an hourly time frame. Okay, friends, this is a very easy strategy, just utilizing the color change and with the help of trend identification and also taking the moving average guidance, you can build a easy win strategy. It builds confidence. Let me explain how I selected Imami for the investment. It is based on the color change. Let me go to the weekly. let me go to the weekly and I'll show to you how did I pinpointed exact levels for this. See here, there was a color change here. The price started coming down. I'm on the weekly time frame. This was the weekly big candle. Big candle. The last big candle here. Then price started whipsawing. You can catch the trend early also. Early also, see, I'll zoom it out. Even here itself, the color started alternating colors you are seeing. Red, green, red, green, and green, red, and this candle. This weekly candle showed some sort of solid body with a color change. And exceeding this level, there also you can do an aggressive entry. If you want to be a very conservative trader, you can wait for this color change completely take out and trend to establish. See here, the trend established after taking an entirely this color change, and it retested this level. This is the flip level. You can see the flip level that is 370. 370. Actually, I took position around this, and I didn't even think of it. I'm in a trend, beginning of the trend, and I booked my profits around this area when color change started, near the 20 period moving average. So when it started coming below the 20 period, 8 period moving average color changes, I took out my profits around this level, 556. Again, I made a video. You can go and see. This is a simple strategy. Based on that only, I selected this stock. You can select your swing trade also. Here, the price came down to this level where the next color trend has built after the consolidation box. I saw some sort of, this is a wide range candle. Always you will see this culmination of the trend. You see a wide range candle. And then I started alternating dozy candle and green candle. You're not seeing so much of alternation of red candles here because the already trend had been established. So it is a retest of this trend. And I took position and even asked my relatives to take the position around 420 or something. Then it started making higher. This is an immediate result just from 18th March to May. Within 2 months of time, you have got 31%. This one. Because why this much of confidence for me in this strategy is it is an easy win strategy. So it is repeated, not only here, everywhere. You just start trying this strategy. It will help you build your confidence and you will stop losing it. Intraday becomes a little bit more complicated, but if you practice using this strategy, starting your analysis from the color change from weekly to daily, daily to hourly, identifying the trend so you can pinpoint the levels and you can be long. And it can be in advance, you will be prepared for the levels to go long so that you will not be in confusion. It will bring in positive anchors. Your trading itself will bring in positive anchor and it builds confidence. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing.